Tony. I am so sorry. I was trying to say how are you in Kurdish, and I learned that you say Tony. I don't know. I'm sorry. I am trying. But today we're gonna do some Kurdish music. Okay, so get into it. Alright, so I am going to read. This is my latest video. We react to Navid Sardi. So today I'm gonna go ahead and read the comments. Thank you so much for the 1K. The more you give me, the more I make. So I'm gonna read the comments. I don't know what this means. So I'm not gonna give it a heart because I don't know what that means. Where are the Kurdish? Some of the comments I don't understand, but so far the most liked comment is this one. This person right here says to react to Abba Kawawet. So we're gonna do that. Oh, I think I already have it. So it's here. So this is the song that most of you requested. So that's what we're doing. So let's go. 3. Oh, okay. It's like a... I know this man from Navid Sardi newest song. It looks like it's the same guy. It's like a... Okay. Okay. I mean, it's okay. I'm not feeling it. I am not feeling it. Ooh. No, I'm not feeling this song. I am so sorry. I'm very honest. If I don't like something, I don't like. I just. And like, these girls don't even know how to dance. I mean, they can call me. I show them how. Let's see another song, because that song is no. Okay, so I remember him from this one. So let's go and watch this one. I mean, he looked nice, okay? Okay. It's just like the way he sings is like... Like, I want him to give me something, you know? I'm not mad. It's okay. I don't know him. It could be worse. He's just like, he has no expression on his face. And that's what like bothering me, because I want you to like, give me like something. I don't know. He just looked like he's sleepy. He's like, missing. I am so sorry. I am trying to like him. I mean, at least he's giving me the fingers. And this girl, I don't know. I can't. I'm sorry. I'm gonna give him one more time, and that's it, because he's not giving me anything. Maybe he's shy. I don't know. Okay, again. Or maybe he's new singer. I don't know. I think he was more active when in this song. You see, like here, pay attention. Here, he's more active. In these other videos, he's very like, he's like, and here he's like, yes. Okay, well, I know this video is short, but there was nothing for me to really react. Maybe in the future, if he makes a new song, I might go back to him to see he progress. As right now, he's just not very entertaining to watch, so that's why I don't like him. So please don't judge me. I'm very honest. I'm not gonna lie to you. If I like it, I like it, and if I don't, I don't. You requested. This is my opinion. It does not mean anything, okay? So love you. Comment down below. Comment if you guys want another Kurdish reaction, and I'll make it happen, okay? If you missed my latest Kurdish, we reacted to Navid Sardi. Click on the screen now. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up for more. Bye.